this is the December TOYL box, Time of Your Life. This edit is called the Showstopper. So let's have a closer look to see exactly what we've got in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then just welcome. I hope you are all alright today. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is, it's got a bit of weight to it. It is this. So this is the December TOYL box. Let's get it open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, please do come and join the family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I have a future giveaway coming up. I've got a video, I'm going to link it just there. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I have 3 fantastic prizes. The main prize being the 2021 Glossy Advent Calendar. So yeah, go check it out. You can see what all the prizes are. And yeah, please share my channel with your friends and family. Get them to come and subscribe, because I'm super excited to do this giveaway, because it's going to be 3 very lucky people who are going to get some lovely prizes. So this is what it looks like inside. Again, another box that is very nice, neat and tidy. I really like that kind of presentation. Right, okay, so we have an edit card. It has information on all the products that are in the box. Just pulled everything out there so you can have a little sneak peek. But let's have a dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you are interested in this box, this is £35 per month. This is the most expensive beauty box that I get. But the brands that you get in here, it's so worth it. So this is aimed at the more mature skin type, but you can buy this at any age. Start young. Don't start too late like I did. So I will leave any links or any codes that I have for any monies off this in the information box. Just go down there and check them out. If you know of any links or money off codes, please share with everybody in the comments. Let people get a good deal. Right, so just quickly going back to the edit card, there's just a little note here. We'll have a quick little nosy of it. So it just says this edit is called the Showstopper. It just says December is a very special month for many of us, and this box reflects that. Very special products for you, or very special subscribers, created to uplift the spirits and to help you look incredible. I hope you love the contents of the brands in this gorgeous box, Karen. Cool. Let's get to it. Right guys, so the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Floral Street, and it is Iris Goddess. Vegan, unisex, groundbreaking, recyclable packaging, and simply very cool. This fragrance from award-winning Floral Street is perfect for a treat for yourself for Christmas. A powdery, soft, chai-free floral, exploding with violets. Black vanilla carries an exotic depth that sparkles lemon zest and red chili pepper add a jolt of life. An adventure in a bottle. Who doesn't want that for 2022? So the RRP for this is £24, and it is 10 mils in here. I am loving that packaging. It is gorgeous. Yeah. There is the bottle. Oh my god, oh my god. Everything that I just read in that description of what this contains, it smells of. You can smell a bit of everything in there. It is goddamn beautiful. Definitely unisex. So the second product we have is this. So this is by Rodial, and it's a neck mask, freeze and smooth. Okay, it just says, I've got 2 sparkly outfits at the ready, and this mask is perfect for giving me a bit of a boost around the neck, having neglected the sunscreen on this area for too many years. The amino acids and wheat proteins help to tense and tighten the skin, giving your neck a visibly lifted appearance. Oh, wow, okay. It says here there is 1 neck mask in here, and the RRP is £8.50. I don't think I've ever had a mask for the neck like this before. But yeah, I keep starting to get them deep set lines there. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Percy and Reed, and it's Wonder Balm Hair Primer. This award-winning hair primer elevates at-home styling to salon standards. This lightweight leave-in balm improves all hair types, perfecting every strand from root to tip, creating a flawless foundation for healthier looking hair and longer lasting style. So there's 75 mils in here, and this is worth £19. Have I received this before? I do not know. It looks familiar. I don't know. So there it is there. Smells very nice. Directions on here, it just says apply a small amount to towel dried hair, working from roots to the ends to prep for hairstyling. Okay, it's definitely gonna have to be tried. The fourth product we have is this. Look at that packaging, it is gorgeous. I'm loving them shades of blue, very, very striking indeed. So this brand is called Prai Beauty, and it's Menno Glow Hot Flush Cool Fix Serum. It just says here, Prai is award-winning beauty created for you and me. This is the Menno Glow range, so even more relevant. And don't get caught up in the Menno reference. This product delivers cooling skincare that is packed with hyaluronic acid to plump the skin and smooth fine lines. Don't forget, Prai made its name with a product that made a visible difference in just 7 days, and this serum is one of their best. So there's 60 mils that you get in here, and it's worth £28. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I love it, absolutely love it. And it's a roller as well. So the directions on here just says use AM and PM always needed when experiencing a hot flush, even over makeup. Okay. Release serum by turning the ball head on and squeezing the tube very lightly. Roll onto face, neck and décolletage, patting in any excess. Use alone or under your favourite moisturiser. Avoid contact with eyes. I'm going to leave it sealed because I do actually want to give this a proper go. Or I suppose I could put it on my neck. I just want to open it, oh my god. So at the moment it's on off. So we'll turn it around and turn it on. You can hear the little clicks there. Ooh, okay. Let's just put it on my neck. It smells gorgeous. Oh, that roller ball is so nice. Oh yeah, you can see the glow where I've added it there. It feels lovely on the skin, it feels lovely and cooling thanks to the roller ball, and obviously the actual product itself inside, and it just feels amazing on the skin. That roller ball is fantastic, and you can feel the quality in the packaging and the roller ball. There's nothing cheap about it. So the fifth and final product is this. So this is by the brand Gatineau. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Knowing me, I'm probably messing it up. But it's exfoliating body polish. Ooh. If you've got dry, parched skin, this body polish is your new best friend. Formulated with AHAs and ceramides, something we'll talk about more in 2022. Okay. And antioxidants to slay away dead skin cells. This polish will reveal smoother, softer texture and restoring a radiant glow. So there's 200 mils in here, and the RRP is £29. Look how thick that is, guys. So there it is there. Ooh, can you see that? It's stuck to my finger. So you've got black bits in it. Oh, and then you've got like little bits of, well, it's not sand, but it feels like sand. Yeah. Smells really nice. You can smell the quality. So it just says massage into wet skin, rinse thoroughly. Plain, simple, to the point. That's being put straight in my shower. Right guys, so this is the December TOYL box, Time of Your Life. This is worth £108.50. What do you think? Right guys, so personally I am actually really loving this box. We have a lovely gorgeous scent to wear, we have something for the hair, we have something for the body, we have a couple of products that are concentrating on the neck area, which is great. This one obviously goes on the neck, décolletage and face, but yeah, loving it. Really nice brands, some brands I've never heard of there, which will be really nice to try out. I really do feel like I've got my money's worth, and I can't wait to enjoy my new little bougie range of skincare products and hair. But yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!